When the skies darken and ground troops call for backup, nothing strikes fear into the hearts of enemies like the unmistakable silhouette of the A-10 Warthog. This legendary attack aircraft has become a cornerstone of American military aviation, inspiring confidence in friendly infantry while sowing terror among foes. But with the rise of drones and artificial intelligence, can this iconic warplane remain relevant in modern warfare? Let's delve into the remarkable story of the A-10 Warthog and uncover how it has adapted to stay in the fight. The A-10 Warthog, officially designated as the A-10 Thunderbolt II, has earned a unique reputation since its introduction. Its distinctive appearance and powerful capabilities have made it a favorite among ground troops, who rely on its support during combat. As warfare evolves with technology, the Warthog's combination of firepower and durability poses intriguing questions about its future role alongside modern systems like drones and unmanned vehicles. The birth of a legend. In the tense atmosphere of the 1960s, as the world teetered on the edge of nuclear conflict, Pentagon strategists understood that military victory hinged not only on a robust nuclear arsenal, but also on effective ground support. During the Vietnam War, the U.S. military relied on the aging Douglas A-1 Skyraider, a holdover from the Korean War, which proved inadequate for the jungle warfare landscape. Recognizing the need for a specialized close air support, CAS aircraft, General John P. McConnell, Chief of Staff of the U.S. Air Force, initiated the Attack Experimental ADX program in September 1966. This bold move marked the beginning of the Warthog's journey. The strategic shift toward effective ground support during the Vietnam War was influenced by the challenges faced by U.S. forces in the dense jungles of Southeast Asia. The limited effectiveness of conventional air power demonstrated the need for an aircraft capable of loitering over battlefields and providing immediate support to ground troops. The AX program was a response to these lessons, aiming to develop a dedicated CAS aircraft that could effectively engage enemy forces and protect American soldiers. Competition and innovation. As the AX program gained momentum, 6 aerospace companies submitted proposals, but only 2 contenders, Northrop's YA-9A and Fairchild Republic's YA-10A, caught the Air Force's attention. The A-10 was selected due to its unique design and capabilities. Fairchild Republic's factory in Farmingdale, New York, rolled out the first 2 prototypes in the early 1970s. By March 1976, the A-10 was officially inducted into service with the U.S. Air Force Tactical Air Command, and by 1984, a total of 715 A-10s, including prototypes and experimental models, had been delivered, solidifying its role as a key player in the U.S. arsenal. The competitive nature of the AX program fostered innovation as companies worked to outdo each other with their designs. The selection of the A-10 was not only based on performance, but also on its potential for modifications and upgrades in the future. Fairchild Republic's focus on creating a rugged, efficient aircraft with exceptional loitering capabilities ultimately led to the A-10's reputation as a reliable workhorse of the U.S. Air Force, designed for survival. At first glance, the A-10's massive and robust design may seem unwieldy, but it is a testament to its engineering genius. Built for survival and maintainability, the Warthog was engineered to operate from forward air bases and rough airstrips, where debris damage is a constant risk. Its twin General Electric TF-34GE 100 turbofan engines are strategically positioned high behind the wings to protect them from incoming fire and foreign objects. These engines feature a high bypass ratio, which minimizes their infrared signature, making the aircraft less detectable to heat-seeking missiles. The placement of the TF-34 engines is a crucial aspect of the A-10's design philosophy, emphasizing the importance of survivability in combat situations. By situating the engines away from the most vulnerable parts of the aircraft, engineers significantly enhance the Warthog's ability to endure damage and continue flying. This design foresight is evident in other military aircraft, where considerations for battlefield environments shape the architecture of the airframe and systems. An indestructible warrior, the A-10 Warthog is often dubbed the Terminator of military aircraft due to its extraordinary resilience. It can withstand direct hits from armor-piercing and high-explosive fragmentation, rounds up to 23 millimeters, and has a backup control system to keep flying even after losing hydraulic power. In one incredible incident during the Iraq War in 2003, pilot Kim Campbell's A-10, despite sustaining damage from enemy anti-aircraft fire, managed to return safely to base using manual controls. This legendary durability extends to the aircraft's components, many of which are interchangeable, allowing for quick repairs in the field. The ability of the A-10 to continue operating under fire has been showcased in numerous combat scenarios, reinforcing its reputation as a durable asset on the battlefield. Its design allows for rapid field repairs, enabling maintenance crews to replace damaged parts quickly, ensuring that the aircraft can return to service promptly. This operational flexibility has made the A-10 a favorite among ground troops who rely on its fire support during critical missions. Armor that protects. To ensure the pilot's safety, the A-10 was equipped with a 1,200-pound titanium alloy bathtub armor, an innovative application of advanced materials in aviation. This formidable armor protects the cockpit and critical systems from enemy fire, enabling the aircraft to fulfill its mission even under intense enemy engagement. Engineers took extraordinary precautions with the fuel system as well, placing the 4 fuel tanks centrally to minimize the risk of damage. These tanks are self-sealing, designed to limit fuel leaks even in the event of penetration. The use of titanium alloy armor represented a significant advancement in military aircraft design, providing a robust shield against enemy fire without excessively increasing weight. The engineer's foresight in protecting vital components, including the fuel system, reflects a deep understanding of battlefield dynamics, where aircraft often encounter hostile fire. This protective design has been emulated in various military aircraft, setting a standard for survivability in combat. The Avenger, a game changer. No discussion of the A-10 would be complete without mentioning its centerpiece, the GAU-8 Avenger cannon. This powerful weapon was designed into the very structure of the aircraft, and its iconic sound is instantly recognizable. The A-10 is capable of firing 3,900 rounds per minute, with each projectile weighing as much as a beer bottle. Initially positioned to fire along the aircraft's centerline, engineers later moved it to enhance stability and performance. The GAU-8 Avenger is one of the most powerful cannons mounted on a military aircraft, engineered specifically to penetrate enemy armor. Its design reflects the U.S. military's commitment to providing ground forces with effective close air support. The cannon's placement and operational characteristics are the result of extensive testing, and its integration into the A-10 exemplifies how weapon systems can be tailored to maximize their effectiveness in real-world combat scenarios. An arsenal of destruction. In addition to the formidable GAU-8, the upgraded A-10C carries an impressive array of weapons, totaling up to 16,000 pounds. This includes 500-pound Mk-82 bombs, 2,000-pound Mk-84 bombs, and an assortment of precision-guided munitions. The A-10's arsenal also features AGM-65 Maverick missiles and A-9 Sidewinder missiles, as well as advanced electronic countermeasures to protect against threats. This diverse armament allows the Warthog to adapt to various combat scenarios and engage multiple enemy targets effectively. The extensive weaponry of the A-10 underscores its versatility as a CAS platform. By carrying a mix of guided and unguided munitions, the Warthog can engage a wide range of targets, from armored vehicles to personnel. The inclusion of electronic countermeasures highlights the evolving nature of warfare, where not only firepower but also electronic warfare capabilities are crucial for mission success. This adaptability ensures that the A-10 remains a valuable asset in the U.S. military's arsenal. Evolution and upgrades. Recognizing the A-10's importance, the U.S. Air Force invested in modernization efforts, particularly addressing critical issues such as wing cracks. In 2005, Boeing secured a $1.72 billion contract to upgrade the wings across the fleet. From 2005 to 2011, the A-10 underwent significant upgrades, becoming the A-10C model, which included enhanced all-weather capabilities, improved fire control systems, and advanced avionics. Pilots benefited from new helmet-mounted targeting systems, making them even more effective in combat. The modernization of the A-10 reflects the Air Force's commitment to maintaining operational effectiveness in the face of evolving threats. The upgrades allowed the aircraft to take advantage of new technologies and adapt to contemporary combat environments. By integrating advanced avionics and targeting systems, the A-10C can effectively engage targets in diverse conditions, ensuring that it remains a relevant and formidable force on the battlefield. A legacy that endures. Despite rumors of retirement, the A-10 remains a beloved asset in the U.S. Air Force, with pilots, Congress, and aviation enthusiasts rallying to keep it in service. With its storied history and proven effectiveness on the battlefield, the Warthog is unlikely to retire before the mid-2030s. Its continued relevance in modern combat underscores the enduring legacy of this remarkable aircraft. The passionate support for the A-10 among pilots and ground troops reflects its unique role in military operations. Advocacy from Congress and military leaders has helped ensure funding for its upgrades and continued operation, recognizing its unmatched capabilities in providing close air support. As the geopolitical landscape changes and new threats emerge, the Warthog's legacy as a dependable ground support aircraft is likely to endure. The question of the A-10's continued relevance is a reflection of broader trends in military aviation, where new technologies challenge traditional platforms. The debate over the Warthog's future is not just about its capabilities, but also about the strategic direction of the U.S. military. As discussions around air power and ground support evolve, the A-10 will likely remain a focal point for both advocates of traditional air combat and proponents of modernized, tech-driven solutions. Does the A-10 Warthog still deserve its place among the latest American military aircraft? After nearly 50 years of service, it continues to make its mark. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next adventure.